Look at all of that grease and muck and oil. Just make sure it's everything clean, mating surface. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're up on a little mission on Sunday. We have a Q5. We have about 7 hours to fix some eye leaks. So I have an eye leak on the front of the engine. I think the eye leak also on the topics cover, so if we pull off the topics cover, and also the cam bridge and the cam seals also need to be changed. Now, if anybody know about Q5 or Audi, know say if you do any of them, sir, this job, any job like this, you have to take off the whole front. So you have to put the front in a service mode, and then start taking care of that. So if you know, start already, gonna just take off the bumper. I'm gonna do the rest of stuff. So wanna watch till we see how we can finish up this thing quick and fast, isn't it? All right, cool. Alright guys, so see there, finally get the front tire thing tear down. Look at all of that grease and muck and oil. And what happens is that the oil comes on the belt, and then the belt sling it up and make up everything kind of messy. So it's like getting on the alternator and all of these things. So what I'm gonna do, release the tensioner, pull the crankshaft bolt, slide this out, change the seal, put this back in, and then we start dealing with like the other one. So like the cams, one for the cams, here they are. So 1, 2, I've changed these, and also see if we can change the one behind this as well. So we have a good seal on the whole thing, but definitely this seal behind here is gone. So I'll pull this out, pull off the pulley, and make sure everything alright with the seal. Change the seal, put it in. Well, now we'll change the seal. We'll just change the seal and put it back together and start fit up back the front. Well, just the front here and the belt, and then we'll move the cut where focus is up to the cam bridge. Alright guys, so see the progress we're making now. We get off the front cover. We have to take it off. If we go match up the seal. The kit we get never come with the right seal, so we're not gonna buy a seal for it. So we'll put this on back. As I said, we're gonna change the seal on the cam bridge and the cam bridge housing. As well as we change the seal on the breather. So there's a breather. This is a breather mechanism. The seal apparently was leaking really bad. If you look down here, so you see some oil and thing. So we had to change this seal and the front seal. So we're gonna finish fit up back now, and then can start putting back together.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Rough only get picked up like a truck. Win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. Avoid it, we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge.
Alright guys, so I do some cleaning up of the edges. Just make sure it's everything clean. Mating surface. Try to avoid any of these contaminants going down in the oil pan. So alright, so the seal gone in. So all you need to do now, clean up the edges of this, put some ultra grade RTV, or silicone as we call it, lock it up back, alright, and fit on. Alright guys, so there you have it. We finish up everything, change all of the seal them. Now we're gonna give the engine a nice little wash, clean, and set up back. We had to release the AC gas, so I'm gonna get the AC gas up on my way home. I don't have the hose to connect it to, but right now I just go and do that. Yeah, the auxiliary coolant pump running. When I'm using water because I'm gonna change the thermostat housing in the next service, which I already have. Well, no, order it already, don't reach. So when it reach, then we'll do that. But for now, I just wash the engine bay, get rid of all the excessive oil. As you can see, even the alternator oil, down on the AC compressor oil. So I get rid of all of them oil. We got the seal, change and everything, fit up. I just move now, get the engine clean, wash off the car, and then head home.